How to make money with AI-generated YouTube channels in 2026. The opportunity. Did you know that faceless YouTube channels, which are videos without showing your face or using your real voice, earned over $50 million in ad revenue last year alone? With AI tools today, you can create 10 to 20 such videos per hour and build a passive income stream that pays you while you sleep. This is one of the best AI side hustles for beginners in 2026. What are faceless YouTube channels? These are channels that publish videos using AI-generated images or stock footage, AI voiceovers which can be cloned or synthetic, AI-written scripts, and automatic captions and editing. Popular niches include top 10 facts, history stories, motivational quotes, true crime, mysterious events, wealth affirmations, and automated storytelling channels. Many creators are now earning full-time income online without ever showing their face. Step-by-step method. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche without AI competition. Avoid oversaturated niches like AI news or general motivation. Instead, pick unexplained mysteries of Egypt which has low competition and high interest. Or pick Stoic philosophy for modern life which is trending in 2026. Or pick weird historical events you never knew. Step 2. Generate the script using AI for free. Go to Claude AI or ChatGPT and use this prompt. Write a 300-word YouTube script for a faceless video about your chosen topic. The tone should be mysterious and engaging. Include a hook in the first 10 seconds, 3 main points, and a call to action to subscribe. Step 3. Create AI voiceover using free or low-cost tools. Use ElevenLabs which has a free tier of 10,000 characters per month, or use MOF which is paid but offers higher quality. Choose a voice that matches your niche. Use a deep voice for mysteries and a calm voice for philosophy. This is a great way to make money with AI voiceovers. Step 4. Generate or find visuals. For free AI images, use Leonardo.ai which gives 150 free credits daily. For free stock footage, use Pexels.com or Pixabay.com. Combine them using Canva's AI video generator which is free with an account. Step 5. Edit automatically with no skills needed. Use CapCut which has a free desktop version, or use Opus Clip which turns long text into short clips. Simply import your voiceover, add images, and click Auto Captions. This is a perfect work-from-home AI job for beginners. Step 6. Upload and monetize. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. You will earn from ads which pay $2 to $12 per 1,000 views, from affiliate links such as Get the AI tool I used here, and from selling your own templates. This method allows you to generate passive income online consistently every month. Realistic earnings timeline. In months 1 and 2, you upload 30 videos. Expected views are 500 to 2,000. Estimated earnings are $0 to $50 as you are building. In months 3 and 4, you upload 60 videos. Expected views are 10,000 to 50,000. Estimated earnings are $50 to $300. In months 5 and 6, you upload 100 videos. Expected views are over 100,000. Estimated earnings are $300 to $2,000 or more. Pro tips from successful faceless creators. Upload 3 times per week consistently because the algorithm rewards frequency. Use patterns in thumbnails such as red arrows, yellow circles, and shocked faces even if the video content is faceless inside. Repurpose the same video for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts by adding a vertical crop. Sell the channel after 1 year on acquire.com for 30 to 40 times your monthly earnings. Tool summary, all free to start. For scripts, use Claude AI or ChatGPT. For voice, use ElevenLabs free tier. For images, use Leonardo.ai. For editing, use CapCut free. For thumbnails, use Canva free. Action steps for tomorrow. Create a new YouTube channel with a generic name. No face is needed. Make one test video of 2 minutes maximum using the steps above. Upload it as unlisted first to check the quality. Publish publicly and share on Reddit and Facebook groups. Warning: do not copy other channels' scripts or use copyrighted music. YouTube's 2026 AI detection system is very smart. Always rewrite everything and use royalty-free audio from the YouTube audio library. For more, visit our website. Please subscribe, like, and share.